Bling-Bang-Bang-Born. Bridge the punch, the buzz, the many punch, the kitty boom.
Yo, 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 yo. So, I stumbled upon this video, right? It popped up in my feed, right? And I know nothing at all about these guys. I have no idea who are they. I have no knowledge of either one of them. I'm totally a stranger to these guys, right? It's my first time even knowing that they even exist. I know nothing at all about them, right? And I'm from Jamaica, and in my country, Jamaica, I'm not sure if any one of my Jamaican fellow mates or fellow people listen to these guys, right? I'm not omnipresent to say, hey, I have a friend around that side who listen to them. No, I'm not sure, because these music aren't really a friendly music in my country, Jamaica. Jamaica is a very small Caribbean country, and our music, our culture is just so small, but it have a great impact when it comes down to reggae music as well, right? So guys, I'm gonna react to Bling-Bang-Bang-Born official music video. So this is a song I've seen popped up on my feed, and I've decided to check it out, right? Because I want to learn more about new music from across the world. It doesn't matter the language, you know what they speak, but I'm just here for the instrumental, the beat, the people, the culture, everything that fall under the entire country, right? So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well this music will take a toll on me. Oh my, it's a very beautiful song. I'm gonna ask a question. Is this Japanese rap? Because it's giving me a Japanese rap vibe, bro. Oh, damn. Damn. Yo, this is very jovial. I gotta say, the sense of humor here is freaking amazing, right? It's giving me that bedrock vibe. Have you guys ever sit on a bed before and it's a spring bed? And when you sit, or let's not say a bed, let's say a chair, and you're rocking to and from on the chair, you hear that squeaky sound. This is the type of vibe this instrumental beat is giving, bro. Whoa, whoa, hey, hey, hey. This is a very beautiful music. I gotta say, lovely. It's my first time, and I'm feeling great to know that it's my first time, and it's not giving me a first time impression. It's giving me a long time knowing impression. You guys have earned a fan. A fan from Jamaica. Stupendous energy, bro. Stupendous. Oh, well, I gotta say, I give into this music, right? I love this music, right? This giving me more to add in my playlist, because I have a lot of songs in my playlist that is from different countries. I mean, like, I have a wide variety of artists that is not from Jamaica with different songs in my playlist, bro. One of my favorite songs of all time is this, bro. This song is very beautiful, bro. I gotta say, I hand it to y'all. Beautiful music. You Japanese always seem to give us great music, and I really do get a lot of inspirational feeling from that. And you guys should keep up the good work. Keep on changing other people's lives. You are worth the shot, man. Yo, 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 bro. Yo, bro. Damn. Damn. Yo. This is one of the most hilarious songs I've related to. Oh wow. It is so gorgeous, guys. I mean, like, and the actions in this video is freaking funny. It's hilarious. Oh my god, bro. Look at all these actions that is been taking place in this. Listen to the beat. Look at the rhythm. Now look at the people. Look at the little baby there. Everyone is having a great time. Even me myself is having a great time, bro. As I stated, everyone's sense of humor is amazing. It's one of the most unique, most funny, most hilarious songs I've reacted to. It's freaking gorgeous. Yo, yo, I gotta say, amazing, amazing performance, amazing song. Hey, YouTube, thank you again for giving me this suggestion. And if you guys did like this reaction, please let me get some more suggestion from you guys. What should I react to next from these guys? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you guys did enjoy the reaction, please leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.